Hey groomers, Smokey and Tyler with Summit Sharpening out of Colorado. Gonna show you how to fix up a jammed up texturizer. So you see where it's jammed up? Open it back up. Do not try to push through that nick. Open it up, take your pointer, finger, and thumb and spread the blades apart so you can close them without them touching. Just like that, here's the motion. And then figure out where the scissor was catching. Pinch in that area. Open it back up so you hear the of the teeth. You like my sound effect? Spread it apart, close it again, pinch it, and repeat this quite a few times until you can try and test the scissor to make sure it's no longer catching in that area. If it's not, great job. The scissor might not work perfectly after this, but at least you're not doing more damage to the scissor. What you can also do is just spread the blades apart, close them, and hand them to your sharpener so you're not doing any more damage. The more damage you do to the blade, the more life we have to take off the scissor. Anyway, hope this helps. Have a great day.